Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how you can fix your keyboard problem on Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. As you are watching this video, I think you are facing some issues or problem on your keyboard. Now I am going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Firstly you need to do, as you can see, your keyboard is not working perfectly. You have to search here on, this is a virtual keyboard, on screen keyboard. Okay, this is it. This is the on screen keyboard of Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system. Firstly you need to search here is troubleshoot. Troubleshoot, this is it, troubleshooter settings. Okay, then this is the troubleshooter settings homepage. So here, as you can see, there is an option called additional troubleshooters. Okay, then you have to wait for some times. Then as you can see, there are some option, find and fix other problems. So here, as you can see, Bluetooth keyboard. So this is the keyboard. So what you need to do, click on the keyboard, then you have to click on run the troubleshooter. This will fix your problem. Then this is firstly detect your problem, then it will solve it. So it will take some time. As you can see, no changes or updates are necessary. For me it is no changes or updates is necessary. For you it might be different, so you have to do this. So then close it, then close this option. So firstly this is, so for doing these steps, I hope your issue will solve. So in case you are in case after doing this, if you think that your keyboard is not working perfectly, then you can do another thing. So which is, then you have to open on screen keyboard, then go to search bar. Here you need to do search settings. Okay, settings. Okay, then you need to do you need to go to time and language. So as you can see, you have to select set time automatically, then language. Coming to language, as you can see, I am using Windows display United States, apps and website United States, regional format United States, keyboard United States, speech United States. So I am using all United States language for my system. So for you, if it is different, you can select the English language for your keyboard or any other thing. So for example, if you want to change your keyboard language, so you can change it from here. So for me it is showing only one language. For you it can be different, it can have multiple options. So you have to select those option, English option. So you can use United States English, United Kingdom English, Indian English, whatever you want to do. So make sure you have selected the language English. So I hope after doing this process you will be able to fix your keyboard problem. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.